Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of our Fijiana Rugby Sevens Team, Usado labina. Iwo sotiau ni na vedru magitu kono no gitu ku na matang ni kuwa. Iwo kanin da ratungona da boleh tuku. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I convey the warmest greetings from the Honorable Prime Minister and the members of your coalition government. As you stand on the brink of the 2024-2025 Women's HSBC Rugby Sevens Series, I would like to take a moment to reflect on the extraordinary journey that has brought you to this point. Women's rugby is a remarkable success story, one that has seen unprecedented growth across the globe. It represents the most significant opportunity for expansion in the coming decade. With initiatives like the new Women in Rugby brand and the inspiring Try and Stop Us campaign, we are witnessing a surge in female participation, now reaching an all-time high of 2.7 million players worldwide. Over a quarter of the overall playing population is female, with a remarkable 28% increase in registered players since 2017. Sa tumbu mga totolo sa artiko na kanatalitaki ng ito rugby, wiki mo ni na marama. Lauray mga tutubatay puro-puro tudoko, sando na sarabi, kanatalitaki, ng ito rugby. Asa taurango, ebe aruso kawalu na pasende. Ni daung gito rugby puro-pura, o ni maram. Yet, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges that women rugby players in Fiji have faced historically. Until recently, many of you encountered discouragement, disapproval, and even ridicule for pursuing this sport. Some face severe consequences, including being beaten or ostracized from their families. The early development of women's rugby in Fiji is a testament to the unwavering determination and sacrifice of the players, coaches, and supporters who organized and financed the game. Despite these obstacles, your commitment and passion for rugby have never wavered. Awana numalesu na ambang rusao timbaka kimami taladaki nandona numunitokani. Andaw ni bebaka tabuli di talangan ni Fijiana. O eleno akuna tuba. Awang boleh tiko boleh na nona lotu ni bembulu. Ara soli tukutuki na turang tamandra. Waritati ko nandrendre era sotaba taumanda erna tu kamuni. Oira rasa luoti nangitongo. Kara wasota na bosa na viva dadani na buku ni non ramai bagai tabi na ngito rugby rabosa tiko na turanga tamandra na ngau na nilotu kara wasiatiko na no sa do bando na ngau na sakere no kwa okere mo sakwa ngai bagai tabi na rugby baletana da bata Dai tukuna tuko Mr. Kunatumba, e mosibiau, e una tamamu, ni ulagi sarangito tu, ungai rongo datu na bosa. Non ra bosa tu nandau sarangito. E ana tau yabu, ningito ragabi beke muni na maram. Ka lebu era bosota tu nanguna. Dodo numenda babira binakakina bira saliu. Ni kakwa ni ngule dhabira kego ni sama nila ingito ningai na numira ora na tua kamoni ora na nomoni tokani yar sangito rauti nangito ngo karabosota na bikandendre metau ya butaki kinebiti nangito ragabi beke moni na maram. Fijiana has achieved incredible milestones against all odds in recent years. In 2011, the Fijiana Sevens Team won the gold medal in women's rugby sevens at the Pacific Games. In 2012, they qualified for the 2013 IRB Rugby World Cup Sevens by winning all of their matches at the Asian Women's Sevens Championship. In 2013, they secured the bowl at the IRB Rugby World Cup Sevens in Russia. In 2014, they qualified for the 2014-2015 World Rugby Women's Sevens Series by winning all their matches at the qualifier tournament in Hong Kong. In 2015, they clinched another gold medal at the Pacific Games and qualified for the Rio Olympics by winning the Oceania Women's Sevens Championship. In 2016, they finished 9th at the Rio Olympics. In 2020, they made history at the Tokyo Olympics by being the first women's team to win an Olympic medal, securing the bronze. Your government is unwavering in its commitment to supporting rugby in Fiji. I am proud to announce that we have allocated more than $4.2 million in the current budget to foster this sport. This investment reflects our dedication to nurturing talent and promoting rugby at all levels. As you prepare for the challenges that lie ahead, remember that the people of Fiji stand firmly behind you. You carry our hopes and dreams on your shoulders. The road may be challenging, but today you have our blessings and our unwavering support. Kim do ngone lewa o saba madala ta mai dake na dabu sau tikina na Fijiana Rugby Sevens. Ke onga me lewa na bo na timi na bakungo o saba madala ta biko so na tukutuku e anga mona kla sa dabu sau tikina na nonda timi. Kaya nga mendana tomana membolei kemuni na ngone lewa oni sandita ki gani kalungata mabira na ngone lewa rangitora tiko nangitora gabi biti arminyomba undingita ki kyo sama ni lako ngai na numa na numu banua ngai na numi biti ngai na numi kemami masulagi kemuni tsukan. In closing, I would like to share the insightful words of Dr. Yoko Kanemasu, Senior Lecturer in Sociology at the University of the South Pacific. And I quote, "Fijiana has shown that women have the ability to achieve any dream. You can achieve any dream, even against the toughest adversities. They have shown that it is fine and actually wonderful for women to be physically strong, tough, and powerful. They have shown that rugby, Fiji's national sport, indeed belongs to everyone. Sangani nei maminga na tangane. Ngito rugby is for everyone. Therefore, go forth with confidence, determination, and the spirit of teamwork. Go with God. Vinavaleu.